We've all been there. That awkward moment when you're close to someone and a faint, unpleasant odor wafts your way. Maybe you're brave enough to offer a mint, or perhaps you suffer in silence, hoping the moment passes quickly. Bad breath, or halitosis, is a common problem that can cause embarrassment and anxiety. We worry about offending others, and it can impact our confidence in social situations. I remember a time in college when I was chatting with a cute classmate. We were standing close together, laughing over something silly. Suddenly, I caught a whiff of his breath, and it wasn't pleasant. I tried to subtly shift away, but the smell lingered. The conversation became strained, and I couldn't wait for it to end. It was an awkward encounter that left me feeling self-conscious and unsure how to handle it. That experience, though embarrassing, taught me a valuable lesson. Bad breath is a common problem, and it doesn't discriminate. It can affect anyone, regardless of age, social status, or hygiene habits. Understanding the causes, recognizing the signs, and knowing how to address it can save us from unnecessary awkwardness and boost our confidence. In this video, we'll delve into the world of halitosis, exploring its causes, debunking myths, and offering practical advice on identifying and dealing with bad breath. We'll also discuss the social stigma surrounding this common problem and why seeking help is nothing to be ashamed of. Halitosis, the medical term for bad breath, is more than just an unpleasant odor. It's often a sign of something happening within our bodies. While temporary bad breath can be caused by food choices like garlic, onions, or coffee, persistent halitosis can indicate underlying health issues. The primary culprit behind bad breath is bacteria. Our mouths are teeming with bacteria, some good, some not so good. These bacteria break down food particles, producing volatile sulfur compounds, VSCs, which are responsible for the characteristic bad breath odor. Factors like poor oral hygiene, dry mouth, certain medical conditions, and even stress can contribute to the overgrowth of these bacteria, leading to halitosis. Understanding these causes is crucial for effectively addressing the problem and preventing its recurrence. It's important to note that not all bad breath is created equal. Transient bad breath, caused by food or smoking, is temporary and easily remedied. Chronic halitosis, however, persists and often requires more than just brushing and flossing to resolve. One of the biggest misconceptions surrounding halitosis is that it's solely caused by poor oral hygiene. While neglecting brushing and flossing certainly contributes to the problem, it's not the only culprit. Other factors like dry mouth can also play a significant role. Dry mouth, or xerostomia, occurs when saliva production is reduced. Saliva plays a crucial role in washing away food particles and neutralizing acids in the mouth. When saliva flow is insufficient, bacteria thrive, leading to bad breath. Medical conditions like diabetes, acid reflux, and respiratory infections can also contribute to halitosis. These conditions can alter the oral environment, making it more conducive to bacterial growth. Even stress and anxiety can indirectly lead to bad breath. When we're stressed, our bodies often produce less saliva, creating a dry mouth environment where bacteria can flourish. It's a reminder that our overall well-being plays a role in our oral health. Believe it or not, our tongues hold valuable clues about our breath's freshness. The tongue's surface, with its tiny grooves and crevices, provides a perfect hiding spot for odor-causing bacteria. Take a close look at your tongue. Is it coated with a white or yellowish film? This film, often referred to as tongue plaque, is a buildup of bacteria, food debris, and dead cells. It's a major contributor to bad breath. Gently scraping your tongue with a tongue scraper can remove this plaque, reducing bacterial buildup and freshening breath. Incorporating tongue scraping into your daily oral hygiene routine can make a noticeable difference in combating halitosis. Remember, a healthy tongue should be pink and free of any thick coating. If you notice a persistent white or yellowish film, it's a sign that bacteria are thriving and your breath might not be as fresh as you'd like. Section 5. The cotton test, a simple check. Wondering if your breath is fresh or foul? There's a simple test you can do at home using a cotton pad. Take a clean cotton pad and gently swipe it across the back of your tongue. Now, take a sniff of the cotton pad. If it emits a foul odor, it's a clear indication that your breath might not be as fresh as you'd hope. This simple test can serve as a quick self-assessment, alerting you to potential breath issues. While the cotton test isn't a foolproof diagnostic tool, it's a handy way to gauge your breath's freshness in the privacy of your own home. It can save you from potential embarrassment and prompt you to take action if needed. Remember, early detection is key to addressing halitosis effectively. Don't be afraid to use simple tools like the cotton test to monitor your breath and take proactive steps to maintain its freshness. Section 6. Freshen up your routine. Maintaining fresh breath goes beyond simply masking odor with mints or mouthwash. It requires a holistic approach that addresses the underlying causes and promotes a healthy oral environment. Start with the basics: brushing and flossing. Brush your teeth at least twice a day using fluoride toothpaste, and floss daily to remove food particles and plaque buildup. Don't forget to brush your tongue or use a tongue scraper to eliminate bacteria hiding in its crevices. Incorporate an antimicrobial mouthwash into your routine to further combat bacteria and freshen breath. Look for mouthwashes containing chlorhexidine or cetylpyridinium chloride, which are effective in reducing bacterial growth. Chewing sugar-free gum after meals can stimulate saliva flow, helping to wash away food particles and neutralize acids. Look for gum containing xylitol, a natural sweetener that has been shown to inhibit bacterial growth. Section 7. The power of hydration. We all know the importance of drinking water for our overall health, but did you know that staying hydrated is crucial for fresh breath, too? Water plays a vital role in maintaining a moist oral environment, which is essential for combating bad breath. Dehydration can lead to dry mouth, a leading contributor to halitosis. When saliva production is reduced, bacteria thrive, producing those unpleasant odors we associate with bad breath. Make it a habit to sip water throughout the day, especially after meals and snacks. Carry a reusable water bottle with you to ensure you're staying adequately hydrated. Not only will this benefit your overall health, but it will also help keep your breath fresh and odor-free. Remember, a moist mouth is a happy mouth, and a happy mouth translates to fresher breath. Embrace the power of hydration and make it an integral part of your bad breath fighting strategy. Believe it or not, what we eat can impact our breath's freshness. Certain foods like garlic, onions, and spicy dishes are notorious for leaving behind lingering odors. While enjoying these foods in moderation is fine, be mindful of their potential impact on your breath. Incorporating crunchy fruits and vegetables into your diet can help freshen breath naturally. Foods like apples, carrots, and celery act as natural toothbrushes, scrubbing away food particles and stimulating saliva production. Limiting sugary drinks and processed foods can also benefit your breath. Sugar feeds bacteria in the mouth, contributing to plaque buildup and bad breath. Opting for healthier choices not only benefits your overall health, but also promotes a fresher oral environment. Lifestyle changes like quitting smoking can significantly impact your breath's freshness. Smoking not only stains teeth and dries out the mouth, but also introduces harmful chemicals that contribute to bad breath. If you've tried various remedies and still struggle with persistent bad breath, it's essential to seek professional help. A dentist or dental hygienist can assess your oral health, identify underlying causes, and recommend appropriate treatment options. They can perform a thorough cleaning, removing plaque and tartar buildup that contribute to bad breath. They can also advise on proper oral hygiene techniques and recommend products tailored to your specific needs. Don't hesitate to discuss your concerns with your dental professional. They are there to help you achieve optimal oral health, which includes fresh, confident breath. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Addressing halitosis effectively often requires a collaborative approach between you and your dental professional. By working together, you can identify the root causes, implement appropriate solutions, and enjoy the confidence that comes with fresh breath. Bad breath, despite being a common problem, often carries a social stigma. We fear being judged or rejected because of it, leading to anxiety and self-consciousness. It's essential to remember that halitosis is a treatable condition, not a personal failing. If you're concerned about your breath, address it proactively rather than suffering in silence. Talk to a trusted friend, family member, or dental professional. Sharing your concerns can alleviate anxiety and open doors to helpful advice and support. Remember, most people experience bad breath at some point in their lives. It's a normal bodily function, and it doesn't define who we are. Focusing on solutions and seeking help when needed empowers us to overcome the social stigma surrounding this common problem. Let's shift the conversation around halitosis from shame and judgment to understanding and support. By openly discussing the issue, we can normalize it, encourage proactive solutions, and create a more accepting environment for those struggling with bad breath. Bad breath, while a common and often embarrassing problem, is not insurmountable. By understanding its causes, recognizing the signs, and adopting proactive measures, we can effectively address halitosis and enjoy the confidence that comes with fresh breath. Remember, maintaining fresh breath is an ongoing process, not a one-time fix. Incorporate good oral hygiene practices into your daily routine, stay hydrated, make mindful food choices, and seek professional help when needed. Don't let the social stigma surrounding halitosis prevent you from taking action. Talk about it, seek support, and embrace the journey towards fresher, more confident breath. It's a journey worth taking for your own well-being and for the comfort of those around you. So, breathe easy, knowing that bad breath is a treatable condition. With knowledge, proactive steps, and a little self-compassion, you can conquer halitosis and enjoy the freedom of fresh, confident breath.